The cost of childcare, as we alluded to, has parents asking, where's the money?
Yeah, many say they are spending more per month for daycare than they do on their mortgage. UNC Charlotte's Kia Murray breaks down the numbers.
Childcare costs more than 1 year of tuition at UNCC or UNC-Chapel Hill.
That's why it's Janet Singerman's job to find families solutions. She's the head of Child Care Resources, Inc. right here in North Carolina. The nonprofit services multiple counties across the state, giving referrals to child care providers that are aimed at fitting family needs. Here's more on the analysis done by Zillow.
In 31 of the U.S. biggest cities, parents would need to devote more than 60% of their monthly household income toward both of these expenses. Compare that to the budget guidelines that federal health leaders say those costs should run you instead. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services caps housing costs at about 30% of your income, and childcare is only supposed to cost you 7%. Now, in terms of dollars, the typical American family needs to allocate about $1,984 a month just for childcare. And then beyond the numbers is a deeper story. So in that interview with Singerman, she noted an interesting factor. Childcare centers across the country are going to run out of federal pandemic money by summer. That money funded teacher and caretaker raises. And without it, wages could drop back to pre-pandemic levels. That's as low as $12 an hour.
60 to 80% of a child care program's operating budget is the cost of labor. It's the cost of its staff. But child care staff who can't afford to earn less are leaving the profession.
And pair that with yet another nuance. The cost of care is most expensive when kids are young. Singerman says those early learning years often come during parents' early earning years. It takes a disproportionate chunk out of the check. It's a complex problem, and it requires a complex solution.
So what's the answer? It's increased investment.
And that investment, Singerman says, will need to come from both private businesses and our elected officials. I'm Kia Murray, UNC Charlotte.
There's another piece here to add. Singerman says this could be an opportunity for employers to maximize. As parents look for jobs with higher wages, they're looking for better benefits to go along with them. So business owners offering help with daycare could also attract more workers.